Hey, it's Dan here. I really want to apologize. I really screwed up. When I was telling you the story about Lou and how he used the gorilla milk to bring a coma victim back to life, I said IV tube when I meant to say feeding tube. So I'm really sorry about that. Sometimes when you make unedited videos, little things like that get left behind. So thanks everyone who pointed that out. It was actually a feeding tube in a coma patient, and then Lou snuck in there because one member of the family hired Lou to come help out, and then the rest of the family, of course, was just wanted to go with in the medical direction. So in other words, this person was in a coma for weeks, and then Lou came in there and brought the gorilla milk, put it through the feeding tube, and the person woke up. And everybody saw that. And then the nurses and the doctor came in and freaked out and then scared everyone. And then they would not allow Lou in the hospital anymore. They kicked him out. And then the person went back into a coma, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. If something works and wakes you up out of the coma, I wouldn't stop doing that thing. But the point of all of it is that the living foods will bring you back to life. It doesn't matter if you're a carnivore, a vegan, if you're a raw foodist, whatever you are, the living foods brings you back to life. And the thing is about the meat and the cooked food, that is of the body. But the living foods is of the spirit of life. And that subtle aspect is missing in far too many people's lives. So anyways, I just wanted to say sorry for that real quick. And thank everyone for pointing that out. I'll see you on the next video.